Good morning, YouTubers. This morning I'm coming at you with cleaning vinyl windows. I've been slacking on the videos, so this is after. This is what this window looked before. Okay, so somebody came along and put some clear caulk on here. I don't know what they did. It doesn't matter how it got this way. We just have to clean it up. So I'm going to go through the steps I used to clean this up and make it look like this. A little better, huh? What do you say? Okay, first step, you can use a knife, all right? I like to use a chisel if you have a chisel, but please make sure there's no little edges on the chisel because it will really chip up the vinyl. So what I do is I take my sandpaper I have wrapped on a piece of board and I rub this on both sides, okay, to ensure that there's no edges on here, and it gets it pretty sharp. I like using a wood chisel because normally they are real sharp. Okay, so what I did was I just scraped this off. You want to keep the chisel pretty flat so you don't chip up the vinyl. So you do this, get most of it off. Most of this will come off with the chisel. Okay, and what you don't get in the corners, you can use your knife. Get your knife real sharp, okay? And the knife will take a lot of it off. You may want to do the whole thing with your knife, who knows? But anyway, after you're done with that, take your vacuum. I love my vacuum. I always vacuum everything up. This is a Rigid. And I have, let me show you. I have a bag inside there. So it saves the inside filter, and also there's no dust. The dust is cut down amazingly. Alright, then after you're done with that, here, take a rag, and not too much, but I use acetone, okay, and that worked out well. Take the rag and pour a little acetone onto the rag, and then just rub off all the excess, okay? All the excess will come off with this acetone, and it will make it look beautiful, okay? So that's, and I cleaned all around here too, all up in here. I mean, you could clean the whole window. I didn't go to that extent yet, but I wanted to make a video and show you I was so impressed with how they cleaned up. Alright, this is Mr. Faust coming at you, Joe, with how to clean vinyl windows. Like and subscribe, guys. I appreciate you coming to my channel and watching my videos. It really helps when you subscribe and share my videos. So share on. Hey, this is Faust. I'm out.